everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to add hyphen between words by Kutools for Excel. If sometimes there is nothing to separate words, how can you quickly add a hyphen between words? If you have Kutools for Excel with its add to text feature, you can add a hyphen symbol to the front of every uppercase character and then apply the remove by position to remove the first hyphen. Select the data you want to add a hyphen. Click the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click the text drop-down list and select add text. In the add text dialog, enter hyphen in the text box and then check only add to option and select before uppercase letters from the drop-down list. Click the OK button and the front of each uppercase character has been added hyphen symbol, and if you want to remove the first hyphen, select your data. From the editing group, click the text drop-down list and select remove by position. In the remove by position dialog, enter 1 into the numbers text box and then check from left under the position section. Click the OK button. And now the hyphen is only added between the words. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.